Farooq Abdullah has done it again amidst the recent terror attacks in Jammu and Kashmir. There is another shocker by the NC patron who says that encounter will occur in future too. Encounters don't matter.
फारूक साहब, जिस तरह से हम देख रहे हैं लगातार टारगेटिंग के लिए इनकाउंटर्स हो रहे हैं, किस तरह उसको आप देखते हैं?
ये काउंटर मैंने पहले भी देखे हैं, आगे भी देखे, इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता।
Let's also get in our colleague Yavar, who's joining us with more perspective. Yavar, why don't you talk us through the context? What was the question asked to Farooq Abdullah and what exactly had he said? What did he mean?
Well, exactly, this question was regarding the recent target killings in the Kashmir Valley and the spike in the encounters which the Jammu and Kashmir is witnessing over the past 2 months. In response to a question, the Farooq Abdullah said that this is not the first time that he has saw these encounters, or rather he has seen these encounters in the past, and in the future as well he will see these encounters, and so as this won't matter at all. But remember that this has taken a political storm in the Kashmir Valley. The BJP, the JDU, they have came down heavily on the Farooq Abdullah this statement, saying that it's because of the soldiers that Farooq Abdullah is in a calm and peace at his own residence. And so as the JDU has claimed that Farooq Abdullah has never speak in the favor of the country. His stance has always been the anti-national. He's a person who talks about advocating the talks with the Pakistan, the China, to those who are killing the innocents in the Kashmir Valley. So somehow we are witnessing that this statement has taken a terrible political grounds on the cards after the Farooq Abdullah says that these encounters will be witnessed in the futures as well, and this is not going to take a matter at all. So somehow we are witnessing that these developments are taking place, and the statement came in a light at that time when the encounter is still intact in the South Kashmir's Kulgam, and this statement from the Farooq Abdullah has taken the opposition in a political storm.
Okay, Yavar, allow me a moment. We have Kavinder Gupta ji, the former Deputy Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, who's also joining us on the phone line. Gupta ji, thank you, sir, for your time and for speaking to us on Times Now. Farooq Abdullah को आप क्या कहेंगे? उनसे एक सवाल पूछा गया एनकाउंटर्स को लेकर. वो कहते हैं एनकाउंटर्स तो होते रहते हैं. As if जिन जवानों की और जिन ऑफिसर्स की जान जा रही है, उसकी कोई वैल्यू नहीं है.
स्टेट की हालत हुई थी. आज जीरो टॉलरेंस को लेकर के हमारे सुरक्षा बल काम कर रहे हैं. उसी का परिणाम है कि जम्मू कश्मीर में स्थितियां सुधरी हैं. ठीक है, पाकिस्तान समय समय पर कायरतापूर्ण इस प्रकार के हमले करता रहता है, लेकिन हमारे जवान अपनी शहादत देकर भी उसका मुंह तोड़ जवाब देते हैं. लेकिन एक जिम्मेवार व्यक्ति को जो दो तीन बार चीफ मिनिस्टर रहा हो जम्मू कश्मीर का, वो इस प्रकार की बातें करने के हमले होते रहते हैं, ऐसा नहीं चलता है. तो कुल मिलाकर के उनकी कैजुअल सोच है, इसके लिए वही जानते होंगे. लेकिन ये जवानों की जो शहादत होती है, जो वो जिम्मेवारी लेकर के विपरीत परिस्थितियों में काम करते हैं, उनको सलाम करने की जरूरत है.
जी, कविंदर जी, हमसे बात करने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. थैंक यू ऑल्सो टू यावर फॉर पीसिंग टुगेदर दैट स्टोरी फॉर अस. वील कंटिन्यू टू ट्रैक दैट. फॉर द मोमेंट